The Export Portal is one of the startups that I began to develop many years ago, and that is a startup that came out of a urgent need of fixing something in the export and import process. I'm proud to say that in today's day I have at least accomplished of putting together a US team and an international team that are working for this entity. Where I want to bring this entity is to make the process of Export Portal and the brand of Export Portal recognized as the safest e-commerce platform to do business internationally for small and medium-sized businesses. Export Portal is recruiting brand ambassadors in every country of the world. We also are recruiting writers around the world that will be able to tell the story of their challenges, of their, and when I say they, I mean small and medium-sized businesses locally, because we cannot feel the pain of someone doing business in another country if we don't hear it from the source. Export Portal until now has grown to the level of being present in 120 plus countries at this time, and to be taking our private blockchain technology that helps small and medium-sized businesses worldwide to do global transactions. We need help from investors. We want this new technology to change the way small and medium-sized business is reviewed on the global market, and with the help of right investors. And when I say right, I mean that I want that investor to share the same passion towards small and medium-sized business or towards the global business as I do. I don't believe in writing checks. I believe in establishing something permanent that will work for these people. And that is where Export Portal came from. Export Portal is a reflection of my pains and finding a solution. And that solution is for small and medium-sized businesses that I explain. I see them as families that need more opportunities. And by doing that and multiplying it by 190 countries, will hopefully be able to help me to achieve that goal. I remember watching this YouTube video of Google when in 1999 they had this conference and they showed this globe rotating, and that was the live traffic of Google at that time, and each language had its own color, and it was kind of like a aura around the globe, and that's how they impressed their employees and the world to join Google. And I want that to be happening now with Export Portal, and those colors will be small and medium-sized businesses that will join the blockchain technology and start exporting their products to other markets. And I also want a color code of how the social life of these families and businesses will change. If we will be able to help SMEs, that means that we'll be able to help families, that means that we'll be able to help communities, and that means that we are somehow be able to change the well-being of the society.